Have you seen this screen? A sudden blue screen, some error code, and then your PC restarts or freezes. That's called the blue screen of death, or BSOD. It looks scary, but don't panic. In this video, we'll show you how to fix software-related blue screen errors, even if Windows won't boot. And if the cause is a hardware issue, don't worry, we've got you covered in the next video too. So stay tuned. After the BSOD screen, it will automatically restart. If not, you need to restart your PC. Just press and hold the power button on the PC for 10 to 15 seconds. The PC will power off. Then you can restart the PC. If your PC restarts and loads into Windows normally, follow these steps. Press Windows plus R. Type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run command prompt as administrator. Now type this command, sfc/scannow. This checks for and fixes corrupted system files, which are a common cause of BSODs. Let it complete. It can take several minutes. Still crashing? Not fixed? Run this deeper repair command, dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. This tells Windows to download fresh system files and fix the image. You need an active internet connection for this step. These tools are safe, built into Windows 10, 11, and require no extra software. If you get the blue screen before Windows finishes booting, do this. Force shut down your PC by pressing the power button for 10 seconds. Do this 3 times during boot. On the 4th attempt, Windows will load into recovery mode automatically. Then go to Advanced Options. Select Command Prompt. Now, run this version of the sfc command. Type exactly like this. This scans your Windows installation from outside the OS. Next, check your hard drive. chkdsk/f/r. This looks for disk errors and bad sectors. And finally, try this. Type exactly like this. That gives your Windows installation a deep repair. You can also choose Safe Mode with Command Prompt under Startup Settings and run the same commands. These steps fix most software-related BSOD issues, including those caused by bad drivers, corrupted system files, and failed updates. But what if it's a hardware problem? If your RAM, SSD, hard drive, or even your motherboard is failing, these commands won't fix it. And many BSODs like memory management, critical purchase died, IRCL normal not less or open, can be triggered by faulty hardware. That's why in our next video, we'll show you how to identify BSODs caused by hardware, how to test RAM, SSD, CPU, and power, how to use tools like MemTest, Smart Diagnostics, and more. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to catch that video as soon as it drops. Need more help now? Visit our Genius Mind blog, link in the description. You'll find a full breakdown of every command in this video, step-by-step repair guides, and even downloadable checklists. Whether you're a beginner or a technician, we've made it easy. But if it's hardware, stay tuned for part 2. Like this video if it helped. Drop a comment if you're stuck. We reply to every tech question. And don't forget to subscribe to Genius Mind for real-world repair solutions.